Afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon.
And so today, Angela and I going to introduce our country. So the name of our country is Taipei. The first rules will be apa namanya?
Present.
Read by me.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1 is freedom of expression. And number 2 is equality law. Then number 3, every students are given laptops. Number 4, free school. Number 5, free Wi-Fi.
Number 6, every homeless are given houses. Number 8, cheaper food.